Hey guys, my name is Pooja. Welcome to my channel Pooja Malkani. Well, I've come with another exciting video for you. Last week I'd gone for the Dudhsagar waterfall trek and I thought of sharing my experience with you. In the end of the video, there is a special message and I'm going to tell you as to why I have posted this particular video. So do stay tuned and watch the video till the end and do let me know if you like it. Yes, so let's start. Hey guys, leaving for a nice trip to Dudhsagar. This is my friend Megha. Megha and me, both of us are going for this trek.
Let's go on this adventure trip.
So
Let's do this.
We are excited. Reached the Pune station. The Goa Express is already on the platform. I'm so excited to go for this trek. Going in super speed from Railway station. The train has left. I think it might rain pretty heavily. But you can see the lightning. It's 5:15 in the morning. We've reached the Kulem station. Now we're just going to make a short halt and then we'll start our onward journey from here. We've left from the Kulem station. We've started our journey now. You can see all the trekkers at the back and in the front. About 20 of us are going for the trek. So that's Yogesh, that's Rohan. Just give us the details about the trek.
Going for the Dudhsagar trek, so it will take around 3.5 hours to complete the trek. So
Okay.
we are walking through the tracks to reach the Sinoli place from where we will start our trek. So we are looking forward for the same. Let's
Thank
go.
you. Thanks. Guys, the trek has started and we are going to walk through on the tracks. We're going to walk on the tracks. Can you see the train? No, I won't. Don't worry. So this is the way. We have to walk for 11 kilometers to reach the Dudhsagar waterfalls. So this is the road and this is us. And this is us. It's a beautiful weather, guys. And I'm glad it's not raining.
अरे ओ
जुम्मा बाहर
जाने मन
बाहर निकल, आज जुम्मा है, आज का वादा है।
ये तू बोली थी
कि पिछले जुम्मे को
पिछले जुम्मे को
आज जुम्मा है, तो आजा 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 हे जुम्मा जुम्मा दे दे। It's only been 40 minutes that we are walking. The way is too long. Oh, still I guess 3 hours to go. We are already tired. It's pretty humid, but enjoying. It's a complete descent that we are going through. We're going to have breakfast by the river. Yes, yes. Look, guys, we're going to have a breakfast here. The view seems to be splendid. I'm glad we stopped. I think the waterfall is closed. Look, guys, look at the fog. It's so beautiful. I'm dead tired, but I won't stop.
Oh, waterfall. Oh, mighty one.
Please come.
Yes.
Please come to us soon. We are tired now.
I'm just so tired.
See, that's Agrita. She's just 8 years old. I'm really proud of her.
Thank you.
She's completed most of the trek very bravely.
And the train track was hallucinating me.
Yes, still.
That's why.
And that's me. We're deep into the forest. Can you hear the insects? The view is really amazing.
पूजा वीडियो लिया है, वीडियो पूरा लिया है। अभी शुरू किया मैंने।
Well, now coming to why I have made this particular video, right? Guys, I'm a person who loves adventure. I love trying out different things. But in 2019, I had a very bad fall while playing badminton. I've had 2 surgeries since then. And something just kept me holding back. And there was a fear of trying things now. And every time, I wanted to try out something. And I had this thing in mind that, I shouldn't hurt my knee again. So this just kept me from doing, the things that I really loved. But this time around, when my friend really told me that there was a trek, it was a 22 kilometers trek, but still, there was a fear. But I thought of challenging myself and just going ahead and doing it. I said, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? I won't be able to complete it. But I thought, that this time around I have to give it a try. Okay? And I'm really proud of myself. Okay? And I'm really happy that I did the trek and I have completed the trek successfully. So there's this thing that I'd like to tell everybody. There are so many things that we fear of. There are so many things, that keep us back, that keep us, from doing what we really want. It's just a fear, let me tell you. There are people who are scared of driving. Go out, just get out there, get the driving class, okay? Just do it for yourself. Once you do it, you'll realize it's not that difficult. What will happen maximum? Once or twice, maybe you'll make a mistake. But till the time you make that mistake, till the time you take that step, towards doing what you really like, you won't move ahead in life. There are people who are scared of, speaking in front of the public. So enroll yourself, just do it for the heck of it. Enroll yourself in a public speaking class and talk to people, make an attempt. What will happen? People will laugh at you once or twice. But after that, the self-confidence that you will have within you, it's really amazing, guys. So I just like to say, life is too short, okay? Just seize the moment, grab the opportunity. Do not keep things in your mind. Do not keep thinking, ye hoga, nahi hoga. This is not the way life moves, okay? Just take the step, move ahead, and I'm sure you will be able to do it, all right? So I just like to say, live life while you are alive. Alright? All the best, guys. And if you liked my video for today, do like, share and subscribe. Bye, guys.